So if you're going to be doing this, I recommend a mat, not wood, but you know, I'm going to be working on wood today. Basically because I'm getting ready to build this FX system and everything's done here, and I forgot to put the mat down, getting everything ready for you guys. So the case is going to be going in here. The cooler we're going to be installing in this video is right there. So the cooler you just seen, we did an unboxing on, that is in the description below. This is the install video for this cooler, in case you got one. It does come with instructions, just in case you buy one and it don't. You can pause the video and use this as reference. There you go. So we are doing pretty much AMD, which is right here. This is an FX system. Let's go ahead and remove our old core. It's just simple on these old systems right here. It's just this little guy here, and then over on the edge there's another little tab. Now you want to be careful when removing your cores, because if you pull up too hard you can pull the CPU out of the socket. That's not good, especially not Intel. So once you get it loose on both sides, unplug the fan here, and I like to just gently twist it till it starts breaking loose and pull up on it. Wow, that thermal paste is awful. God, that board's dusty too. So I'm going to clean this off, then take it out, blow it off with some air, and then we'll install the new cooler. So, ooh, look, we can peel that off. Never been peeled before, just been left on it. Oh, how nice. So let's clean this off. So I got some alcohol swabs here. That's an old country trick. Don't use that. That's way too much alcohol. Take you a little bit, dip it on a paper towel, and then wipe your CPU off. That thermal paste is awful. It looks brand new. What never does see hardly any use. So now I'm going to take it outside. Let's take the dry end of this and swap it down. Take it outside now. Blow the dust off, because if you can't see it, I'll give you a close-up. Look at that dust on that board. Yeah, this needs cleaned off, especially before we stick it into a new system or the new cooler on it. So we got the board cleaned off. Let's go to the next step. It's we got the fan removed. It came like that. Step 2, install bracket mount on the cooler base. Okay, with screws. So we got this right here. Let's move the board out of the way. Just get it somewhere. Pick it up. Be careful not bend anything. You know how it goes. Okay, let's turn this around. Just like so. Got 4 little screw holes, looks like. Let's check our hardware out. Try not to get it mixed up. Fan stuff. AMD. That's nice. Intel. Backing plate bracket. I wonder if we need that, or is that Intel only? Oh no, we'll lay it to the side just in case. We do got some thermal paste. The brand, just in case I don't want to use that. I do got some Arctic Silver, so we decide later in the video when we go to install it what we use. So we got 4 little bitty screws here, 4 ways. Get my little kit here, get us some 4-way. Let's install it. Springs will go facing down if you install it like this, which will be up. So once these is open, that's pretty cool. They got like fighters here. Guess so you can angle it a little. Okay. How's it go? How's it go? Look at the instructions a little bit better. Okay, the big tab goes to the inner side. Like this. Could explain that in the instructions. So once you figure out where it goes, on the picture it got these big tabs going to the inner side, so that's where I'm putting mine. Go ahead, put your screws in it, snug them down. So the next step on the thing will be to remove the AMD upper plate. Okay, we can do that. Let's move this out of the way and get a motherboard back over here. That is held on with 2 4-ways on each side. Now this is the AM3 socket, not the AM4. Just in case you guys wanted to know, but this is made to fit AM3 and AM4. Now if you was installing a water cooler, these would stay. Most AM3 water coolers, AIO systems I seen, we use the stock hook mounts on the AM3s. Step 4. Evenly spread the heat sink paste on the surface of the CPU and we remove the bottom of the radiator. Step 5. AM3 plus AM4. Move the screw on the bracket to the corresponding position according to the main board. As shown in figure. Okay, so I'm just going to dry fit this for now, make sure the bolt holes line up, but it seems we need them over here. It's a cool setup they got. Just slides just like so. Okay, make sure it lines up now. 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. 3. And 4. So that's exactly what it needs to be. If you're on AM3, AM4 be all the way to the outer edges. These go here. A little bit more detailed instructions would have helped out a lot, but this works. So we are on to thermal paste. Arctic Silver or the new thermal paste we got from here. Let's just open up, finish up the Arctic Silver before it goes bad. Personally, I like the X methods. Probably overkill, I know. But I'm finishing off the Arctic Silver. Now it wants us to spread it even, but usually that should be pretty good. Yeah, gonna get that all over me. What do you think, guys? Should we spread it or just call it good? That's a lot of thermal paste. I think I should technically spread out. So, instructions say spread it. I say spread it, but that's filed down really good. That looks extremely good. So let's go ahead and just set this on and then bolt it on. Now when applying your screws to this, make sure you don't cross thread them. They should go easy. If they go kind of stiff, stop what you're doing, back them out, and put them on the way they need to be, because they cross threading. And they just snug up, so don't over tighten them. So that's the cooler installed. A thermal paste application. I can actually see it mashing out a little on the sides, which ain't a bad thing. I mean, it's not overkill, so we know it's gotten good. They recommended that on the instructions, and that's what we did. Now we got the hooks for the fan. We got 4 actually. It's more than I thought we need, but I guess they sent you some extra if you want an extra fan. Now we need to put our clips in, which they snap. Okay, we have the fan now installed. It looks really good. We got a wire plugged in, kind of cable managed under here. Should be really good. So now it's ready to install in the computer. So if you found this video helpful, or found the instructions that I showed you helpful, in case yours didn't come with it, and you're doing a different CPU bracket, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this video. Check back at my channel, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Always a new video on. I try to upload one every single day. So by 8:30 p.m. Eastern, there should be a new video up, just in case you don't get that notification. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.